Good morning, my dear students. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also motivate your friends to subscribe. As per the request of my students, I have taken a number, that is number 9 of exercise 13.2. Chapter is surface area and volume from class 9. Question is, find the lateral curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So the radius of cylindrical petrol storage tank are equal to diameter by 2. Diameter is 4.2 meter by 2 equal to 2.1 meter, and height h equal to h equal to 4.5 meter. First bit we have to find the lateral curved surface area. First bit, lateral curved surface area or curved surface area, it is, we know that it is 2 pi r h. Formula to calculate curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So it is 2 pi is 22 by 7, r equal to 2.1 into h is 4.5. See here, 2.1 by 7 it is 0.3. 2 into 4.5 it is 9. 9 into 0.3 is 2.7 into 22. 27 into 22 will be 54 and 54. It is 594. We have taken 2 into 4.5 is 9. 2.1 by 7 is 0.3. Here 9 into 3 is 27. We have to put a decimal mark. Now 27 into 22, it is 54 and 54, so it is 59.4 meter square, the lateral surface area of the closed cylindrical tank. Now second bit, we have to find how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So steel was used in whole tank, so we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 is 2, pi equal to 22 by 7, r equal to 2.1 into h is 4.5 plus r is 2.1. 2.1 by 7 is 0.3. 2 into 22 is 44 into 3 is 13.2 into 4.5 plus 2.1, it will be 6.6. So we have to find this 132 into 66. 132 into 66. 792. Once again we have to write 792 because once again we have to multiply with 6 to this one. It will be 2 1 87.12 meter square. Its total surface area. Now see the question once again. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? Some of the steel must be wasted in making a material, big material. So let x meter square steel was actually used. One-twelfth of this much is wasted, so x by 12 meter square was wasted. So steel used in the tank steel used in the tank. See here, actually X meter steel the manufacturer has taken, this much was wasted, so no amount of steel in the tank will be X minus X by 12, X minus X by 12, it will be 12x minus X equal to 11x by 12. This much equal steel was actually used, and total surface area is 87.12. So this and this must be equal. Hence 11x by 12, 11x by 12 equal to 87.12, or this implies that x equal to 87.12 into 12 by 11. 11 can be cancelled with this one, it will be 7.77 minus the 87 minus 77 is 10 and 101, it will be 9. 11 into 9 is 99, remaining is 2. So 22 by 11 is 2 into 12. It will be 12 into 2 is 24. Carry is 2. 108. So here we will have to write 2 because 108 plus 2 is 110. Remaining is 11. Remaining is 11. 12 into 7 is 84 plus 11 is 95. This much meter square steel was actually used to making the tank, and this is the amount actually amount of steel used, and this much amount was used in the tank, and 1 by 12 of the amount was wasted. Thank you, my dear students.